many tears and sorrow. I have questions for tomorrow. There be times I didn't know right from wrong. But in every situation, God gave blessed consolation, that my trials only come to make me strong.
Amen.
Places, and I've seen so many faces. There be times I felt so all alone. But in those lonely hours, in those precious lonely hours, Jesus let me know I was His own. That's the reason I say, through it all, Jesus, yes, I learned to trust in God. Through it all, I learned to depend upon His word. I thank God for the mountains, and I thank Him for the valleys. I thank Him for all the storms He brought me through. For if I never had the problem, I wouldn't know that He could solve them. Wouldn't know what faith in His word could do. That's the reason I say,